Hi there, welcome to QA Box Let's Test. If you have not already subscribed to this channel, kindly do so, and if you like the video, give them the thumbs up.
Alright, so in this video, we are going to talk about chaining the methods. So what you're seeing here is a class person. This is the constructor, and these are the different methods. I've already covered constructor, methods, class in my previous videos in this series. If you have not watched those, please go and watch those first. Alright, so now what I've done is I've created the instance of this class person. Alright, the instance name is P1, and now with the help of that instance, I'm calling all these methods, right? So I can invoke walk method, run method, and swim method, right? So this much we have already covered. So if I save that, you could see in the console that we walk, which is printed from this walk method, then we run, which is printed from this run method, and we swim, which is printed by this method. Now what I would like to do is I would like to execute all this in chain. All right, so now after this I would like to execute run, and then I would like to execute swim. So how can I achieve this? So if I run this now, so let me comment this out, and if I clear this and save it, so I get the error cannot read property run of undefined. So walk was successful, and therefore you could see this message, but run, we got exception in here, and therefore this was skipped. All right, so how can we fix that? The answer is return this. So this will return us the object back, and because that object has access to all these methods, you can make a chain. So this is how you have to do it. So all you have to do is return this. So in case of p1, right, when this method is invoked, the this would refer to p1, right? Let's check that out, and we say this. Okay, so let me run this now. Run will execute, but swim will not, so we'll see that. So let me clear this and let us save this. All right, so you could see that this log, this particular keyword is referring to the object p1, right? So where the name of the person is Avi. Okay, so we got, so let me remove this, and all we have to do is we have to use this in this as well. All right, so now you could see a we walk, a we run, a we swim. All right, and similarly, if you want this method to also return the object which is invoking this method, you have to use this here as well. Right, now order does not matter. You can even do, like, you can start with walk, and then at the end you can do walk. All right, and this would still work. All right, so let me comment this out, clear this and save it, and now you could see how we run, then how we swim, then how we walk. That's about training. Thank you so much.